Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can update your WhatsApp to the latest version. Keeping your WhatsApp up to date is essential to ensure that you have the latest features, security patches and bug fixes. WhatsApp regularly release updates to improve performance, add new features and enhance user experience. In this guide, I will walk you through the step-by-step process of updating your WhatsApp on your mobile device. So guys, let's get started. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. The first step you have to take now is to go over to the home screen of your mobile phone. So let me go over to my home screen right there. Then if you're using an Android device, what you have to look for in your home screen is your Play Store. Or if you're using an iPhone device or an iOS device, what you have to look for is your App Store. Since I'm using an Android device in this tutorial, I'm going to look for my Play Store. So let me scroll down now to look for my Play Store. So guys, you can see my Play Store right there. You can see the logo, the arrow is pointing at it. So what you have to do is to tap on it. If you're using an iOS device, tap on your App Store. So let me tap on my Play Store right away. So guys, now you can see my Play Store is opening. So once your Play Store opens up, what you have to do is to search for WhatsApp. And you can do that by tapping on the search icon at the bottom right corner. So let me tap on it. Then you have to tap at the search bar at the top. So let me tap on it. You have to search for WhatsApp. So let me go ahead now to type in WhatsApp. WHATSAPP. Let me tap on search. So guys, now you can see WhatsApp right there. The arrow is pointing at it. What you have to do now is to tap on it to open the WhatsApp page. So let me tap on it. Right here now guys, you can see the update button right there. It is visible. If your WhatsApp is out of date, you're going to see this update button right there. So what you have to do now is to tap on it now to update it. So once you tap on it, it's going to start downloading and installing. What you have to do is to give it the time, then it's going to install, and that is it. So guys, let me tap on update right away. Let me tap on update. So guys, now you can see it has started downloading. In a few seconds it's going to start installing. So what you have to do is to give it time depending on your data connection speed. So guys, let me just wait a few seconds. It's going to get done downloading and installing. So guys, now you can see it has gotten to 98%. In the next few seconds it's going to get to 100. You can see 99, then 100%. So now it's going to start installing. So guys, this is how it works. Let's just wait a few seconds like I said earlier on. Wow guys, can see the WhatsApp Messenger is done downloading and installing. Now you can now see the open button right there. So what I can do now is to open it. So let me open it. Wow guys, can see the WhatsApp Messenger has opened up. Now I now have the latest version of WhatsApp. So I have the latest feature, security patches and all bugs has been fixed. So guys, now I've been able now to show you guys how you can update your WhatsApp on your mobile, and I believe you got value from this. If you did, do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment. See you in the next upload. Bye bye. Peace.